and we don't know.
All right, explain this to me. How many people are you guessing are at this event? Like,
About 27,000 at least.
how is this even safe? I mean, there's a fire. It's been like 5 minutes. There's still 500 people out. If there was really a fire, we'd all be dead by now. Come on.
I don't know what it is.
Here comes the fire alarm! I mean fire! Dude, I don't know.
I don't know this any more than you do.
I don't know.
Look, we even got a fire truck. It's insane.
It's a good time to have lunch.
Oh, great time
Well,
to
that
have
is true.
lunch.
It's a very 8.
Well, the only problem with eating lunch now is nothing would be open. It'd be crowded by 27,000 people.
Well, that is true.